I am currently involved in two important areas in the world, in the area of social entrepreneurship and impact investing. I'm very much involved locally in the country of Sri Lanka and globally through a number of partnerships. I'm part of an international entity called GSG, Global Steering Group for Impact Investing, and also a number of other international bodies in the area of social entrepreneurship. In Sri Lanka, I'm involved as the chairman of Lanka Impact Investing Network, which looks at investing on social enterprises, entrepreneurs who create impact for the society through their enterprises. But one of the things which I have realized, particularly during the COVID lockdown and this period of almost 1 year, whether it's enterprise or whether any real body, any organization, any real body, including the human body, has 4 areas of possible extensions: the length, the breadth, the thickness, and the duration. And when you are forming bodies, whether it's a building, whether it's an organization, whether it's a business, and including your human body, our own flesh and blood, we have these extensions possibilities: the length, the breadth, and the thickness, and the duration. Now, when we do not fathom this properly well, we see the off-balancing of these areas. Sometimes, when you extend yourself more in the length, less in the breadth, and there's an imbalance. And sometimes when you extend more in the breadth and less in the thickness, there'll be an issue. In the same way, the duration. Sometimes we see some people come into various activities and engagement while what we call make hay while sun shine. I mean, that kind lasts for a short period of time. We see enterprises, entrepreneurs, businesses, which is there today and not tomorrow. So that's the very reason that we need to understand these 4 important elements of extension. The length, when you are planning, when you are programming, when you are deciding, when you are looking at enriching your own body, look at the length, look at the breadth, look at the thickness, look at the duration. In every activity, there is something like that. Every engagement we have, there need to be a length, there need to be a breadth, there need to be thickness and the duration. If you focus on these, then you cannot much fail. And you need to bring the balance in this area. And that is why this social entrepreneurship and impact investing is so vital, because it brings this kind of balance. Look at the length, the breadth of the engagement, the thickness that is needed for that, and the duration that impact is created. We are looking at the impact to create the impact. We are looking at the society, and then you look at every real body, whether it's a building, whether it's an organization, whether it's your human body. We need to look at these elements: the length, the breadth, the thickness, and the duration. And if you fundamentally bring these values, these things into that body, then there is a possibility of greater sustainability and greater longevity for every engagement that we are involved. And that is why what is needed for the world and for the people around us all the time.